Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel here on YouTube, and for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can decorate your own ornaments using acrylic paint and plastic ornaments that you find at your local craft store. For this DIY, you're going to want to get your clear plastic or glass ornament from your local craft store like Michael's and perhaps Dollar Tree. And you're also going to want acrylic paint. For the acrylic paint, I recommend using acrylic paint that's a little runny. And I'll show you an example of how that looks like. Where it looks kind of watery. And this is because it does move a little faster than the acrylic paint that's a little more pasty and thick. And so the colors that I'll be using are black and gold, because I want this ornament to look kind of, I want this ornament to look cool, a little fancy. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove the top of the ornament and place it aside. Then you're going to grab your acrylic paint and you're going to pour a lot of it in there. Just like that. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start to move it around a little, like this. And you're going to keep turning it until it covers everything in the inside. And if you think it's slowing down, don't be afraid to pour more paint inside. Once the paint has painted everything in the inside, you're then going to grab a piece of paper. You're going to have the ornament upside down like this. You're going to leave it like this for about 10 minutes. And this is to get rid of any excess paint that's still inside. And this is so that the paint doesn't pull on the inside in case you hang it up, because it will make the ornament look kind of weird if you leave the paint pooling in the inside. Once you have let most of the paint out, you're going to get the little thing that goes on top of the ornament and place it back carefully. Once you have placed it, it is ready to be hanged on a tree. And here's an example of another one I did using 3 colors. These are perfect for Christmas trees. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you how to decorate your own ornaments using acrylic paint. These are fun to make. I sure hope you have fun. With that being said, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.